Hi everyone, welcome back. So now we're going to look to use the sine rule to find a missing side. Step number one is to label the diagram. So I will label this A, this B and this C, and they're opposites. In this case that is A, that is B and that is C. Step two is to write out the formula. Because we're looking for a side, we put the sides as numerators, so the lowercase a, b, c as numerators. So our formula, a over sine A is equal to b over sine B, which is equal to c over sine C. Step three is to substitute. So we're going to replace these letters with the values that we've got. So A is 27, so we are looking at 27 over the sine of the angle A, which is 120, is equal to B, side B, which is x, over the angle sine B, which is 20. Now we haven't got anything for the C's. So in this case, I'm not going to write out the C's. I don't need them. So I haven't got, and nor do I need anything with the C's, so I'll put a cross through it there. Step four is to solve it. So we are now just going to rearrange this to find the value of x. We're going to multiply both sides by the sine of 20. So in this case they cancel. We are left with x is equal to, just going to neaten this up a little bit, 27 multiplied by the sine of 20 over the sine of 120. Just put this into your calculator. You will get 10.6 centimeters, and I have rounded that to 1 decimal place. Hopefully you can see, if you take care in labeling the diagram correctly, the rest really is straightforward. One more thing to point out is when you're using the sine rule, you always need the opposite angle of the side that you have. So in this case, we had angle A and we had its opposite side. And in this case, we had angle B and we had, although we haven't got the actual figure, we were looking for the opposite side. So remember, you're looking for pairs. So if you can do this, just hop on to the next video and have a go at finding a missing angle using the sine rule.